Oh, and to yeah, I just want this. Oh, why so? Hello guys, we're gonna play nothing, but this is a new video from the Sugar Gamer, and we're gonna do Would You Rather. Yeah, this game is like what you need to look. You need to choose what you want. Yeah, you will see. Okay, the first Would You Rather is be homeless or be a slave. I don't know. Be a slave, you get hurt, but you get food, but not so many. And be homeless, you have no home, no food. Maybe food from the trash can, but I don't know. But I don't want to be hurt, so let's be homeless. Yes. Everyone wanna be homeless. Okay. Would you rather wear pants too high or wear pants too low? Too low, like oh, that you see your underwear, or like a little bit underwear and not. Oh, and to yeah, I just want this. Oh, why so? I don't do that. Never. It's ugly. Okay, would you rather you're playing Connect 4 against Emulsion? Would you rather take him down, let him win? Take him down. Why not? Would you rather have an iPhone or have an Android device? Have an iPhone. I have an iPhone right now. I like it much. Like, yeah, it's better than the Samsung I. But yeah. Would you rather lie every time you are asked a question, or tell the truth every time you are asked a question? I don't know. Lie every time you are asked. Actually, I don't say the truth, so I just say lie. I know nobody says it, you see it, but I just say it. Okay, before going to school or homework every day, would you rather eat a breakfast of only jelly beans, or eat a breakfast of only hot wings? I don't know what hot wings is. I know jelly beans, but I just gonna say jelly beans. I don't know what are hot wings. So yeah. Would you rather always have a sore throat, or live with no fingers on? I need my fingers to game, so I just gonna say this. Everyone is it with me, but no fingers. If I don't have fingers, I can't game anymore and make videos for you guys. Okay, would you rather spend a year with the Pope, or spend a year with the Dalai Lama? What? Yeah, the Pope. No, nobody wants. I don't know what Dalai Lama is. Okay, have an excellent relationship with with have a terrible relationship with 3 real friends. This is not easy, guys, but look, imaginary, it's not real then, but you got a really good relationship with it, and you have then real best friends, but you got a terrible relationship. I don't know. I'm gonna guess 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Wait, I love my favorite number is 9. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, 9. Okay, yeah, it's really good. Okay, be able to fly up to 5 meters off the ground, or have magic carpet that can fly up to 50 meters off the ground. 5 meters. It's long, but not long enough, like. But I want ability to fly, so I just want to fly. Sorry, but I just want to lose your brother hand, or lose your. Oh my god, this is really hard. So if I don't have that hand, I can't type something, because I type really low, or I can't game anymore. But if I don't have if I don't have that foot, I can't play soccer anymore. But yeah, I just lose. And everyone, I agree, everyone is with me. I know. Okay, spend a day with Taylor Swift or spend a day with Beyonce. I really hate Taylor Swift, so yeah, Beyonce. Oh, 50-50, nice. Okay, would you rather always have a bad hair, or always have a bad... Actually, bad hair. My hair is nothing. Actually, I just do some gel in my hair and that's it. If it's really bad, I don't give a fuck. So yeah, would you rather only drink black coffee or only eat dry cereal? I don't love coffee. I hate it, so I just gonna choose this. And everyone is with me, I know. Okay, constantly have wrinkled clothes or never have to. I don't know, I just gonna guess. Yeah, I need to choose that one. Okay, would you rather have a meteoric rise and a painfully hard crash from fame, or remain complete in know your... Oh my god. Oh my god. This is really hard. But I got good memories. like really good memories. I don't want to lose that. Sorry, but I have really good memories. Okay, would you rather be stuck in a room with dead bodies or eat five spiders? I really hate spiders. Really. Just dead bodies, then I hate spiders. Just saying. Ew. Okay, would you rather be Super Groove or be Quilly Man? Be Super Groove. Okay, would you rather be known as a drug dealer or be known as a liar? A liar, everyone knows I'm a liar. I'm a liar, yeah, I'm a liar. In real life, actually, if you didn't know that, I'm a liar. Sometimes I lie and yeah, they say I'm a liar. But a drugs dealer is too far. I don't want to be known as a drugs dealer. Okay, would you rather be one exposed of the cops or be unexposed of the cheaters? I just want to be a cheater. Be Gryffindor! Yeah, Gryffindor. And then I gonna meet Harry Potter. Yeah. Actually, eat a cup of baking soda and then do a shot of Eat a pack of Mentos and then shook and died. Wow. Yeah, this one. Oh my. Okay, everyone. Would you rather be Harry Potter, be Luke Skywalker? I just want to be Harry Potter. You can do everything if you got magic. If you are Luke Skywalker, you just have nothing. Actually, a laser sword. But I wanna have magic. Yeah, I know everyone is a Star Wars fan, but I wanna be Harry Potter. Yeah. If you were given the responsibility, would you rather inform a room of first grade students that their favorite pets have died? Wow, that's really hard. Explain to a room of first grade students how sex work. I'm gonna choose that. Woohoo! Sex, baby. Let's talk about you and me. Know the exact time and place of your own death, or know the exact time and place of death of everyone around. I wanna know when I'm gonna die. I just wanna know. Would you rather win a 5,000 shopping spree to any store, or win a 10-day free vacation to any destination? Win. I just wanna have 5,000. I can be so many things. Be a famous athlete in the Olympic, know around the world, or be famous actor, no only in America. I want to be a famous actor in America. I love America. Yeah. Oh. Would you rather sleep on an amazing comfortable bed that someone died in, or sleep on a bed of nails? Actually, if you're gonna sleep with nails, it's really hard. But if you're gonna sleep with a comfortable bed but somebody died in, and you see the blood, actually I just gonna choose the. Would you rather stop showering, stop brushing your teeth? Oh my god, this is real. If you don't have, this is not. If you stop showering, you're gonna smell really bad. All the girls gonna say, ew, gross, gross. But if you stop brushing your teeth, everyone gonna say the same thing. But actually it's gonna hurt because your teeth is really careful. So stop brushing your teeth. Okay. Would you rather wear the same things every day and never wear the same clothes twice? Yeah, I just gonna choose this. That was easy. Would you rather eat Lay's potato chips or eat Pringles? Actually, I love the salt Pringles. I love paprika singles Pringles. I love every kind of Pringles I know, but Lay's potato chips, I love those everything, but not the new one. So I'll eat Pringles. Pringles. Okay. Would you rather be a Napoleon or be Julius Caesar? Be Julius Caesar. Why not? Would you rather exploded, imploded? Exploded, it's gonna be fun. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, would you rather have a terrible addiction on I don't know what are the I just gonna choose this. Nobody is with me. Okay, would you rather have anything you word become true or know all the truths there are no? That I just want to know what's gonna do. I want to know the future. Just saying, be known for something good, being a really wise person, being known for something great. I choose this. Whoa. Okay, nobody is with me. Would you rather be slaved full force by a UFC fighter to a leg doctor for I don't want to be I don't want to get hurt, so a dog. If it's my dog, I really lick a dog. Oh wait, what? No, I talk. I need to lick my own dog. But if I see this, oh my god, I'm real stupid. Oh, I didn't see that. Okay, I need to lick a dog his shit. Delicious. Not. So yeah, I just wanna press this, but I was too late. Okay, would you rather be an orc or be a night elf? Night elf. Can fly. Would you rather watch only dramas for the rest of your life or watching comedies? Just comedies. I hate dramas. Would you rather have an extreme sorry guys, or have a bad case of it's better for that. Would you rather have the ability to teleport or be able to time travel? To teleport is really nice but I just want to go back in time. I just want to back in time. I just want to go back in my or I go in my future, but I want to know the future, and I just want to go back in time. So yeah, I just want to do this. Okay, the last one. Would you rather stop using YouTube, stop using Facebook? This is easy because I love YouTube. I make YouTube videos. I watch YouTube always, but I don't use Facebook because I have Facebook, but I use it sometimes, but I don't like Facebook. So yeah, stopping using Facebook. Everyone is with me. Okay guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to smash the like button, smash it, yeah, smash it. And yeah, if you know, yeah, you know it. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe if you want more videos like this, or with Roblox or something else. Just subscribe if you want. And yeah, 5 likes, I don't know, can we make it? I don't know, maybe it's easy to make it. Actually, we can make it. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to smash that like button. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. I see you guys in the next video. Bye guys, bye.